Apple quietly unveiled the all-new MacBook Air with the M4 chip, and here are 3 changes that I think make this the best laptop you can buy. Number 1 is the updated camera. Apple updated the webcam to the 12 megapixel center stage camera that's inside the MacBook Pros. It's capable of capturing 1080p video, which isn't crazy impressive, but it's a nice bump up in quality compared to the previous webcams that were inside the MacBook Airs. Not everyone will appreciate this, but if you're a person that uses your laptop for a lot of video conferencing, this is going to be a nice update for you. Whenever Apple gets parts from their MacBook Pro line and brings it over to the MacBook Air, it's always a win-win. Number 2 is the cheaper price. And I'm not sure if Apple felt the pressure with the iPhone 16e and maybe because there were so many people complaining about that price tag that they decided to drop the price $100 on the new MacBook Airs. Probably not. I'm trying to give Apple more credit than they actually deserve, but I will give them credit for not raising the price and instead actually dropping it $100 on both the 13-inch and the 15-inch models. Apple could have easily said, we're refreshing these 2 models and now they're going to be $100 more, at least the starting prices. But they didn't. They actually dropped the starting price. So Apple, you get some credit here. For $1,000, the package is actually pretty impressive. You're getting top-notch performance, amazing design, all the features with macOS for a pretty decent starting price when you look at it all combined here. $1,000 for this kind of performance is hard to find in other laptops. And that brings me to the number 1 biggest change when it came to the MacBook Airs, and that's the new M4 chip. Apple just put their latest chipset inside the MacBook Airs. We all knew that they would eventually, but the M4 chip is a beast. It's the same chipset inside the all-new Mac Mini, and in my testing of the Mac Mini, it's just an all-around amazing performing chipset. Compared to the previous M3 chip, which was also an excellent performing chipset, you're getting 2 more efficiency cores, faster memory bandwidth, and up to 32 gigabytes of memory if you decide to upgrade. So all of this will just make it an all-around better performing laptop. And once again, this was an already excellent performing laptop before the M4 chip. Apple is just building on top of an already solid foundation. Just on benchmarks alone, the M4 chip is really impressive, especially when you compare it benchmark to other more expensive chipsets from previous MacBooks. And of course, you can expect those benchmarks to translate to just solid performing everyday use. You shouldn't be disappointed on the performance you get from this MacBook Air. Now, in the end, this is really a minor refresh. Apple kept really everything else the same. They did give us a new color in sky blue, which is nice to see, but it's not a color I would personally go with. But if you're into that sort of color, then maybe that's an option for you. But what makes the MacBook Air the best all-around laptop for most people is the price and performance. You're getting a very capable laptop here for 90% of people. And Apple did us a solid by lowering the price slightly. This by far is my go-to laptop that I would recommend to anyone asking which laptop they should buy. Once again, the performance here should be more than enough for most people. But what do you guys think of the MacBook Air? Is this something you would pick up? Let me know with a comment down below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos just like this one on tech news, reviews, and opinions, make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our new videos, and I'll see you on the next one.